All right, so this is the book. This the cover of it. We got the little go to the edge. You got the little the author and everything on there. I'm gonna open it up here real quick, man. I ain't good with this camera shit here.
Oh, it's all good. It's all good. Take your time.
There we go.
Take your time. But
So,
you got about 50 seconds left. We're not gonna give them too much.
I'm just gonna thumb through it real quick, man.
Yeah.
Pictures, great book, great pictures, great read. Like I said, I'm only about 6 pages in.
Yeah.
Thumb through it. Great, man. The pictures is off the chain, off the chain.
Yeah.
And for you lazy sleepyhead Moors, there's a whole bunch of pictures too, so you can just thumb through it and look at the pictures. Crazy pictures, man. All kinds, coat of arms. The Moabites that are pictured in here are off the chain. I wish I could go straight to it. I don't want to take up too much time. Just different. Man, it's crazy. Moors is crazy. Go get it. Go get it. Support
Islam, more. Give thanks, more.
Islam. Crazy pictures.
Islam.
Islam.